Welcome to TradeTheNBA.com. This is John Supports for the 13th. Well, we saw it early from yesterday, the brief dip of futures, which just filled back all the positive move that had taken place. And then we started seeing the turnaround beginning in the pre-market. And as it began, you ended up with your magenta leading. And once that continued, you ended up with white spikes. So shorts thought they could attack right back at the peak again. And they were mistaken because magenta never dipped. And that just drove a short cover rally and pushed things well above the 7K number. So that was pretty exciting. That's what it looked for from a daily standpoint. So you're pushing new highs, and that's all congruent with what we see from the daily. Nothing's changed there. It's all pretty consistent. In fact, you have cyan under red, so always buy the shakeout positive. So no incongruencies at all. The NQ looking almost identical now, even if it's slightly behind. It's just catching up. It just still hasn't gotten to a positive shakeout, and that shows the underlying difficulties that the Nasdaq has had of late. I mean, they had their big run. It's just now the question of the whole AI thing is going to pay out in any way, shape, or form, and do they have the electricity to do it? Treasuries again non-existent. Of course, the foul, yeah, right. He claims a foul, and basically has said that he's going to fight to the end and stick around so he can thwart Trump, and that's his goal. So from there, we have oil, which going the complete wrong direction, and despite all of Trump's interactions, it's not helpful, and that's just going to be a problem. It's just going to limit growth. The euro, non-existent as far as being able to sustain any rally at this particular point. And when we look at it from a gold standpoint, it's going to continue to rise. So it's not done. Don't think the gold rally is over. And what you can see from the pre-market, as soon as the market opened up, boom, call buyers jumping on everything they could get a hold of. A little bit of softness here in the post-market, but from an Asian view. But when we get into the EU session, it's pretty much the similar situation. It'll pop up and fade. So, yeah, modest. Nothing too dramatic to talk about, but it was all pretty clean from the indicator reading. So it's a matter of following those. As always, anything relevant, I'll put on the team chat. Have a good one.